Hello students and welcome to English Tutorials Macvision Aviraj World School. Today we will discuss the question answers of the chapter A Letter to God. Oral comprehension check. So first of all I would like to tell you one point that you should always remember while answering a question. Now whenever you read a question, you should always focus in which tense is the question. Question कौन से tense में है. So if the question is in present tense, the answer should also be in present. If the question is in past tense, the answer should be in past. If the question is in future tense, the answer should be in future tense. For example, what did Lencho hope for? The first question. What did Lencho hope for? So this question is in past tense? Yes. So the answer will also be in past. Lencho hoped for rains because the only thing his field needed was shower. So Lencho ने क्या होप किया था? What did Lencho hope for? किस चीज के लिए होप किया था Lencho ने? Lencho hoped for rains. Lencho ने rains के लिए होप किया था because the only thing his field needed was shower. क्योंकि उसकी फील्ड को क्या चाहिए था? सिर्फ एक ही चीज चाहिए थी और वो क्या है? शावर. Question number 2. Why did Lencho say that the raindrops were like new coins? Lencho ने ऐसा क्यों कहा था that raindrops जो हैं वो new coins की तरह हैं? Lencho's crops were ready for harvest. Lencho के जो crops थे वो ready थे harvest के लिए. However, they required a good rain before harvesting. और उन्हें हार्वेस्ट से पहले क्या चाहिए था? हार्वेस्टिंग से पहले what did they require? उनको चाहिए थी a good rain. After rains, he could sell the harvest and get money. Now, after the rains, he could harvest the crops and sell them and he could get money. और उससे क्या आता? उसके पास money आता, पैसा आता. That is why he compared raindrops with new coins. So this is why he had compared the raindrops with new coins. Raindrops से new coins से compare किया था. क्यों? Because उसके crops were ready for harvest and they required a good rain before the harvesting, and after harvesting the crops, he could sell them to get money. That is why he compared the raindrops with new coins. How did the rain change and what happened to Lencho's fields? The rain was pouring down. Suddenly a strong wind began to flow and very large hailstones began to fall with the rain. Now what happened? The rain was pouring down, बारिश आ रही थी, but suddenly what happened? A strong wind began to flow. बहुत जोर से एक strong wind आने लगी, एक तूफान आने लगा, and very large hailstones, ओले, बहुत बड़े बड़े ओले began to fall with the rain. Rain के साथ बहुत बड़े बड़े ओले गिरने लगे. All the crops in Lencho's fields were destroyed. So what happened to Lencho's fields? The crops in the fields were destroyed. Question number 4. What were Lencho's feeling when the rain stopped? जब rain stop हो गई तो Lencho के मन में क्या feeling आ रही थी? What did he feel at that point of time? After hail stopped, Lencho's soul was filled with sadness. Now he was very sad. His soul was filled with sadness. He was worried about his family's future. He was worried about two things. Number 1, his family's future, and number 2, lack of food for the coming year. आने वाले साल में जो खाने की, crops की, food की कमी होने वाली थी. He was worried about that also. Let's move ahead. Oral comprehension check. Who or what did Lencho have faith in? What did he do? Lencho को किसमें faith था और उसने क्या किया? Lencho had faith in God. So Lencho को किसमें faith था? He had faith in God. और उसने क्या किया? What did he do? he wrote a letter to God saying that he needed 100 pesos to sow his field again. तो लेंचो को किसमें फेथ था? गॉड में. और उसने क्या किया? He wrote a letter to God. उसने एक लेटर लिखा गॉड को saying that उसको 100 pesos चाहिए to sow his field again. अपनी फील्ड को दोबारा से सो करने के लिए, अपने क्रॉप्स को दोबारा उगाने के लिए. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Who read the letter? लेटर किसने पढ़ा? पोस्ट मास्टर read the letter. किसने पढ़ा? पोस्ट मास्टर. What did the postmaster do then? पोस्टमास्टर ने फिर क्या किया? The postmaster first laughed, but then he became serious. So postmaster पहले तो amused था, he laughed, हंसी आ गई उसको. But then he became serious. पर फिर वो serious हो गया. He was deeply moved by the writer's faith in God. So he was deeply moved. वो पूरी तरह से हिल चुका था to see writer's faith in God. भगवान में राइटर का विश्वास देखकर he was deeply moved. He did not want to shake his faith. He did not want to shake Lencho's faith, so he decided to collect money and send it to Lencho. So he decided, क्या decide किया उसने? To collect money and send it to Lencho. Again, oral comprehension check. Question 1. Who was Lencho surprised to find a letter for him with money in it? Was Lencho surprised to find a letter for him जिसमें मनी भी था? Was he surprised? No, not at all. So no, Lencho was not surprised to find a letter for him with money inside it. His faith in God was so strong, so he expected that reply from God. And why was he not surprised? वो surprised क्यों नहीं था? क्योंकि he had a very strong faith in God और उसने ये reply expect किया था भगवान से, God से ये reply expect किया था. That is why he was not at all surprised. What made him angry? Lencho found that there were only 70 pesos in the letter received from God. He had demanded 100 pesos. He was confident that God could neither make a mistake nor deny him what he had requested. So Lencho found that letter के साथ कितने पैसे थे? Only 70 pesos were there. He had demanded 100 pesos और उसने कितने डिमांड किए थे? कितने रुपीस मांगे थे? कितने पैसे मांगे थे? 100 pesos. He was confident that God could neither make a mistake nor deny him what he had requested. So he was very confident कि God कोई गलती भी नहीं कर सकते और वो मुझे मना भी नहीं कर सकते पैसों के लिए. So he concluded that, तो उसने ये conclude कर लिया that the employees at the post office must have taken remaining 30 pesos. So he finally concluded that जो पोस्ट ऑफिस के एम्प्लॉयज थे, जो पोस्ट ऑफिस में लोग काम करते थे, उन्होंने हो सकता है वो 30 pesos निकाल लिए. They have taken the remaining 30 pesos. So that is why he was very angry. Thinking about the text. Question number 1. Who does Lencho have complete faith in? Lencho को complete faith किसमें था? God. Lencho had complete faith in God. Which sentences in the story tell you this? सेंटेंस कौन कौन से स्टोरी के सेंटेंसेस ऐसे हैं जिनसे तुम्हें ये चीज पता चलती है? The sentences in the story that show this are: all through the night, Lencho thought only of his one hope, the help from God. So पूरी रात लेंचो क्या सोच रहा था? सिर्फ एक ही होप के बारे में सोच रहा था और वो होप क्या थी? The help from God. God, he wrote, if you don't help me, my family and I will go hungry this year. So he also wrote that God, if you do not help me, अगर आप मेरी हेल्प नहीं करेंगे तो my family and I will go hungry this year. हम लोग भूखे रह जाएंगे इस साल. So this also shows his strong faith in God because he wrote a letter to God. और कोई लेटर क्यों लिखेगा, कोई डिमांड क्यों करेगा if he or she has faith in someone? So similarly, Lencho had a strong faith in God, and we get to know this by these lines that we have discussed. Why does the postmaster send money to Lencho? Why does he sign the letter God? पोस्टमास्टर ने मनी क्यों भेजा लेंचो को, एंड उन्होंने गॉड क्यों साइन किया? व्हाई डिडंट ही राइट हिज नेम? Postmaster was moved by Lencho's complete faith in God. So he was very surprised to see Lencho's complete faith in God. So he decided to send money to Lencho. इसलिए उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि वो मनी सेंड करेंगे लेंचो को. And postmaster did not want to shake Lencho's faith in God. और वो नहीं चाहते थे कि लेंचो का गॉड पे से भरोसा उठ जाए. So he signed the letter God. तो उसने लेटर पे क्या साइन किया? गॉड. Rather than signing his putting his signature there. अपना सिग्नेचर ना करके गॉड क्यों लिखा? क्योंकि he did not want to shake Lencho's faith in God. क्योंकि वो नहीं चाहते थे लेंचो का फेथ जो गॉड में है वो शेक हो. Did Lencho try to find out who had sent the money to him? Why or why not? So लेंचो ने क्या फाइंड आउट करने की कोशिश की कि उसको पैसा किसने भेजा, क्यों या फिर क्यों नहीं, why or why not? No, Lencho did not try to find out who had sent money to him. So लेंचो ने बिल्कुल भी ये जानने की कोशिश नहीं की that who had sent money to him, उसको पैसे किसने भेजे थे, because he had great confidence in God and believed that God had sent him the money. Because he had a strong faith, great confidence in God. और उसने क्या बिलीव किया था? That God had sent him the money. भगवान ने ही उसको पैसे भेजे. Who does Lencho think has taken the rest of the money? What is the irony in the situation? So लेंचो को क्या लगता है किसने ले लिया बाकी का मनी? Who has taken the rest of the money? And what is the irony in the situation? Now what is irony? Irony means something which appears to be something but is actually something else. कोई भी चीज जो देखने में कुछ लगती है पर एक्चुअली होती कुछ और है. That is irony. Contradictory things. दो opposite things जो कि अलग अलग होती हैं पर लगता कुछ है होता कुछ और है. Lencho thinks that the post office employees have taken the money. Lencho सोचता है कि post office employees ने उसके पैसे निकाल लिए हैं. The irony in the situation is that Lencho calls them crooks. Lencho उनको क्या बोलता है? A bunch of crooks बोलता है. So he calls them crooks and thinks that they have taken the money, but they are the people who had sent him money. So लेंचो को क्या लगता है कि उन लोगों ने जो पोस्ट ऑफिस एम्प्लॉयज है उन्होंने सारे पैसे 30 पैसों निकाल लिए हैं, बट द फैक्ट इज दैट वो ही लोग हैं जिन्होंने पैसे भेजे थे. सो लेंचो को लगता कुछ और है पर एक्चुअली में है कुछ और. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड आयरनी. दिस इज द आयरनी इन द सिचुएशन. Hope you have understood the question and answers. Now write these question answers in your fair notebook. Those who have done, it's fine. Those who have not written the question answers, do it in the fair notebook today itself. Thank you so much.